2. Plant life. Parts of a plant. Hi buddies. Plant bodies are divided into two regions. They are the underground root portion and the aerial shoot portion, including stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. These different regions of the plant are dependent on each other, as each performs different essential functions. Leaves provide trees with all their food because they turn sunlight into food energy through photosynthesis. They generally possess pigments, which play a central role in converting the energy of sunlight into chemical energy by means of photosynthesis. Fruit is the fleshy structure of certain plants that may be sweet and edible in the raw state, such as apples, oranges, grapes, etc. The seed contains food which supplies energy and materials for growth until the plant grows its first leaves above the ground. Flowers generally are the showiest part of a plant. Their beauty and fragrance attract pollinators, insects, or birds. They play an important role in the reproductive process. In this lesson, you will learn about the different parts of a plant and their functions.
Unit 2. Plant life. Parts of a plant. Like us, plants are living things. Air, water, mineral salts, sunlight, and good care help them to grow healthy. Just as our body do different kinds of works with different parts of our body, in the same way, the different parts of a plant have their own work. Activity. Go out for a walk and pull out a grass plant from the ground. Can you pull it easily? No. What holds the plant to the soil? It's nothing but roots. Name the parts which are above the ground. Stem, branches, flowers, fruits, etc. Parts of a plant. Leaves, flower, fruit, stem, branch, root, bud, soil.
Roots. They remain under the ground and help in fixing the plant to the soil. They help the plant to absorb water and salt from the soil. Roots also push these materials up into the stem.
A plant may have only one big root called taproot, or groups of small roots called fibrous roots. Stem. The part of the plant above the ground is called stem. Stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. It holds the plant straight. It carries water and mineral salts from roots to all other parts of the plant. It forms the main support of the plant. Let us see how stem carries water and salts to the other parts. Activity. Take a beaker half full of water. Add few drops of redding to it. Pull out a plant with a white flower from the soil and cut off its roots. Put the plant into the beaker of redding. Observe the flower after half an hour. Note the changes you have seen. The stem carries the food prepared by the leaves to all parts of a plant, that is, roots, buds, flowers, fruits, etc. Stem carries water and salts to other plant parts. Leaf. The leaf is called the kitchen of the plant as it prepares food for the plant. It has small pores on its surface called stomata. The leaf takes in carbon dioxide through the stomata. From roots, it gets water through stem. Leaves prepare food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The prepared food is then carried to all parts of the plant body through the stem. This food is used for the growth of the plant. The extra food, which is stored in roots, stems, fruits, and seeds, are eaten by man and animals. Flower. Many plants bear flowers. It is an attractive part of the plant. Some flowers are scented. Flowers grow into fruits and help the plant to produce seeds. Fruits. Flowers are formed into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds are protected by fruits and also help to spread the seeds. Seeds. Fruits contain seeds. They are hidden inside the fruits. Seeds give rise to future plants. Activity. Observe different types of seeds like bean, maize, grams, rice, etc. Sow them in your garden and water them. Observe after 2 or 3 days. Note down the changes. The seed changes into a baby plant called seedling. If these are protected and cared, they grow into large plants. Ways of sowing seeds. Farmers sow seeds in large fields and farm. We grow our crop plants and vegetables mostly from seeds. In different types of crops, different methods of sowing is followed. Activity. Observe the farmers how they sow the seeds in their farms. There are 2 ways of sowing seeds. The direct method. Some farmers scatter the seeds with hand or sown directly in the fields. Crop plants like wheat, maize, grams, beans, and peas are directly sown.
The indirect method. Seeds of crops like rice are grown in different way. Seeds are raised into seedlings on seed beds. Then they are taken out from the seed beds and planted in the fields. This is called transplantation.
Let's revise the important points. 1. The root is below the ground and the stem is above the ground. 2. Leaf is kitchen of the plant. 3. The stem carries the food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. 4. The extra food is stored in roots, stem, fruits and seeds. 5. Flowers grow into fruits. 6. Fruits have seeds inside them. 7. Seeds grow into a new plant.